Stock of the day, though, I thought we'd take a look at Premier Investments. Billionaire Solomon Lew's retail empire booking big gains after the fashion chain lifted its dividend following a 4% rise in full-year revenue to $1.5 billion. Of course, not just fashion, it has Smiggle as well. Stronger trading by department store Myer saw Premier Investments' stake in the retailer grow by $12 million over 2022. Let's take a look at how shares are trading today, and good day, up 13% so far today. Grady, what do you think of Premier's result?
I really like their results, and this is one company that's shown really strong resilience during the pandemic and post-pandemic. They haven't gone too far ahead in outlook as well. They haven't said we're expecting this much. They've remained pretty conservative. I like the city's got a buy rating on it. I've got a buy rating on it, and a price target of $25 a share. I think the strength in 2022 may face some headwinds with interest rates rising in 2023, but in saying that, they've hit the ground running with total global sales up 46.7% in just the first 7 weeks so far of FY23. The resurgence of sales in Smiggle, as we were talking about before the show, I think it's great. They're 24.6% higher in sales, so I'm really liking this stock, and I think they've got a really strong way forward with Myer as well.
All right. Mathan, have you got kids in the Smiggle era? I know I've got grandkids in the Smiggle era at the moment. Boy, they make good margins, I reckon. But anyhow, it's only one part of the business. What do you think of Premier?
Yeah, my daughter works at Smiggles.
There you go.
There you go. And Solly Lou is a very smart guy. He's got investment in a lot of vehicles. Breville, Myer, they're all doing well. Premier Investment, great brands, they're all doing well. It's managed as well as it's going to be managed. I don't see that changing. It's a high multiple retailer. It's a high quality retailer. Everyone knows it, and you get high multiples. It's come back, but the thing that you've got to be careful of is looking at retail stocks. What's happened in the last couple of years, it's unlikely to be repeated. So what they've had in the last couple of years is massive stimulus globally. It didn't matter where you were. It's just so much stimulus thrown out, so much retail spending, and now we're getting retail spending that's inflated by literally inflation. So in that context, there's a lot of boost that it's had. Can they keep that going? I think it's going to be really tough when you look at consumer spending. And the other thing to remember is Premier has a decent exposure into UK, and it's literally getting pounded. So they're going to lose on the currency. They're going to lose on potential recession risk. So these are the negatives for retail. But these guys are probably one of the best. So they will manage quite well. So you don't want to if you want to pick a few players in retail, this is one of the ones. And it's come back a bit, so it's giving you that upside. Look, the update is an upgrade. You buy good quality stocks on an upgrade cycle. So you want to be long Premier. It's a cyclical. So when this runs up and it reaches a peak and multiple gets too expensive, you want to sell it. But at the moment, you want to be long Premier, and I think it'll go higher.